Hey everyone, in this video, we will review Truecar. Truecar is a real and trusted website that helps people buy new and used cars easily. It lets you choose a car, see real prices from dealers, and get an offer to take to the store. You can also sell your car by getting a quick cash offer through Truecar's selling tool. Many users like it because it makes finding a good deal on a car faster and simpler. Truecar is generally safe and protects your personal information with strong security. It asks for your name, phone number, and email, but not for credit card or social security numbers. However, some people report getting lots of emails and calls from dealers after signing up. Some users also say the prices on Truecar can be different when they visit the dealer. Because of this, it's important to check the final price and car details yourself. Overall, Truecar is a useful and safe site, but you should stay careful and double check. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.